Hello everyone, welcome back to Handstand Gym and Power Fitness. My name is Prasad Duri. So today let's talk about the most irritating topic which the gym goers are facing right now, that is wearing a mask while working out in the gym. So let's discuss whether you can work out comfortably with a mask on, whether it is safe to work out wearing a mask, and we'll also discuss if there are some potential benefits of wearing a mask while working out. So let's find out. So, can wearing a mask help in improving your gym performance? Let's get it straight. Whether you like it or not, whether you're comfortable or not, as per the guidelines which are laid down, every gym goer needs to wear a mask while working out in the gym. Now, the major problem gym members are complaining about is it becomes difficult to breathe with a mask on and you feel kind of suffocated. And as you work out and start sweating, the mask becomes more damp, reducing the amount of airflow passing to your lungs, which makes it even more difficult to continue with your workout. And eventually you're forced to breathe from your mouth because nasal breathing is very difficult, as it requires to put in that extra effort to extract oxygen from the air. So what do we do of this situation? How to work it out in our favor? Now there was a research made in regards to this, and they suggested a possible benefit of wearing a mask on your overall performance. The research says that wearing a mask while working out will make your lungs work more harder to obtain the same amount of air, which will potentially help in strengthening your lungs and your diaphragm. Of course, nasal breathing is very difficult to keep up, especially when you're doing heavy lifting or some high intensity conditioning cardio. But nasal breathing also has its own benefits. It allows the lungs to extract more oxygen from the air. Now, of course, people with asthma or any other breathing problem need to be more careful with this. Now, just a small tip, don't interpret this information about training with the mask on with high altitude training. Altitude training requires reduction in the amount of oxygen. Wearing a plain mask does not change the proportion of oxygen in the air that you're breathing at sea level. So like any other event, this pandemic shall also pass soon. So let's try and not to debate or argue on the findings of the research, as we don't have much choice, because if you want to work out in gym, mask is compulsory. And if everything goes well, eventually when you work out without mask, you might be more healthier and fitter to do more work in a given amount of time, because your lungs will be stronger and can extract more oxygen for you from the air, and this will definitely help you in your overall health performance. So I hope you have got the point and you will make the current situation work for you to your advantage. Thank you.